Gaming session at risk because of the Audio Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Before the walkthrough for Audio Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Audio Library, a generic naming convention used by several game engines to store their primary audio processing logic. It handles the interface between the game's sound scripts and the hardware's audio buffer. If missing, the game will usually crash on launch, citing a failed to initialize sound engine or primary audio module not found. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The Audio Library DLL library is a specialized component of the Localized audio orchestration system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Audio Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Audio Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. A recommended diagnostic path for Audio Library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If you've regained access to Audio Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.